Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video I'll be using the Dominique Latte palette. First thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids. I'm using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and then I'm going to set it with some powder. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Vanilla powder and just set it all over my eyelid. Then I'm going to apply some eyeshadow guards, which will leave me with a very sharp edge, and that's why I use them just as a tool to get a sharp edge. Then I'm taking the shade Caramel and I'm using my Sigma E40 brush, which comes in my brush kit in collaboration with Sigma Beauty. I have linked it down in the description bar, and I'm just going to blend this shade all over in my crease. This is going to be my transition shade because it's a very soft, warm brown color, so it's perfect for in the crease. Then I'm taking this shade Pumpkin Spice, blending this in my crease as well, and this will warm it up a lot more. I did notice my camera wasn't filming once I started applying this, so that's why it's already looking quite warm. But I just basically blended this all over in my crease until I found that the shade was like obvious to see. Then I'm taking this darker brown shade using my E25 brush from Sigma, pressing this mainly in my outer V area and then blending it a little bit upwards towards my crease. Then I'm taking a different palette, which is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm only using this palette because it has a very nice black eyeshadow. So I'm going to press this in my outer V and then blending it a little bit upwards towards my crease. And also I went in with the previous brown shade I used around the edges to make sure that it doesn't look very harsh. Then I'm taking this light matte shade and I'm pressing this in my inner corner area. This will kind of make my inner corner look more bright, and I always like to do this whenever I do an eye look like this. It will just give just that nice extra bright effect. I don't really know how to explain, but I do feel like it makes a nice difference. Now I'm going back in with the shade Pumpkin Spice, taking my MAC 242 brush and pressing this like right next to that vanilla shade. Since both of these shades are matte, they're quite easy to blend into each other. And also I noticed with this palette that all the eyeshadows are very pigmented, which I really like. Then I'm taking this shade, which is more of a blue navy color, and pressing this on the eyelids. As you can see, I'm using a blending brush, but I switched to my MAC 242 brush. It gave like a lot more color payoff, so I just feel like that blending brush wasn't the right brush to use for this. So I'm pressing this using this brush and just pressing it in the middle part. I do feel like this is like a total different color than the brown one. So I went back in with that pumpkin spice one, blending this a little bit on top of the edges of the blue one to make the transition look a bit better. Then I'm taking some black eyeshadow, blending this around my outer V area, and then I removed my eyeshadow guards, and you can see it left me with a very sharp edge. Now I applied my eyeliner off camera. I show it like in almost all my videos. I will put down in the description bar what product I used. Now for my waterline, I'm taking this Inglot black pencil and applying this all over in my waterline. Then I'm taking the black eyeshadow, which I used from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, pressing this right underneath the lower lash line to make it extra smoky. And then to blend this out, I'm taking that blue shade again, using a Dose of Colors pencil brush. First kind of softly pressing this right underneath the black eyeshadow, because I wasn't really sure if I would get like a lot of fallout on my face. So I softly pressed and then I started blending with like back and forth. Then I applied some mascara, and I'm using these lashes from Prima lash. I will put the name in the description bar. And then this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's quite short and it was like a really quick video, but I just hope it gave you like a few new tips on how to create this makeup look. If you want me to do more of these type of eye looks but using different colors, let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!